Good morning, family. If you're new here, please consider to become part of the family. Let's start today's recipe by cutting up some sausages. We're using green bell pepper, onions, and carrots. Adding vegetable oil on the pan. I started with the carrots because they take longer to cook. Adding salt to season and let it cook for some seconds. Then comes onions. After becoming transparent, I will add green bell pepper. It is the time for our sausages. Mix everything together, and I have a magic ingredient for you: brown sugar. Brown sugar will change everything. Don't forget it. Mix again so that everything combines, and ta-da! It's done. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed watching, please give it a like and subscribe if you haven't done so. So God bless you. Until next time. Bye-bye.